Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're doing a one marker challenge. The one marker challenge is also on my 2018 art challenge bucket list, I guess, of what I wanted to do. So yeah, basically I got my box of markers, which technically these are basically all my markers, and I closed my eyes and picked a marker. I do have my markers in like sections, so I tried not to go to like a specific section to pick a marker. And the marker that I chose is YR04 from my Copics, and it is a Copic chat. As well as this Copic marker, I am going to be using a colorless blender, which is basically a blender marker filled with alcohol. And here is me testing out different techniques I can use, how many layers to use for the marker, and I basically went from there. I started filling things in with my colorless blender and then putting the marker color on top, and then I would go over that with some more colorless blender, and I kind of regret it because it made the skin look splotchy, so that's kind of the only area where I did that in. I did use this technique of laying down colorless blender and then laying down the marker color on a few other areas because I wanted to get a lighter color than what was given to me on from the marker, and that was the only way to get it lighter, and to get it even lighter was to go over that with the colorless blender. But I tried to keep that to a minimum because since I did that on the face looked really splotchy, so we're trying to kind of preserve the drawing. And if you guys were wondering who this character is, I still don't kind of know. So basically I'm trying to make a new vampire OC because vampires, no reason for that. But he kind of looks like Alucard from Castlevania, and that's kind of not what I was going for, but kind of what I was going for. But yeah, his character design is still in development, so yeah, I think the clothes and basically the face shape is gonna stay the same, but his hair gotta go, and I'm gonna have to change some things about his description, his background description, because it wasn't really making sense. So yeah, this is my one marker challenge, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stick around for the long haul and subscribe to see more artsy videos that I have and will eventually make and all of that jazz. So I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.